Hey guys, it's Shade and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving 2 subscribers a free personalized cartoon if you can get 10 persons to subscribe to my channel.
Got some awesome clips here.
Okay, so the app we will be using is Picsart. Select add, select all photos and choose the photo that you want to edit. So I recommend a bright photo. So the first thing we're doing is cropping it. So you select tools and then crop, and then you crop the photo. Select apply, then choose the FX at the bottom of the screen, that's effects. Select sketch, choose sketched 1. Then you're going to align using horizontal. You're going to change the color to black and the line size to 21, and you're going to fade the image. It depends on what you like. Afterwards, you're going to select eraser at the top of the screen and zoom in to erase what you do not want in the photo. Click apply. Next, you're going to go on the draw tool and you're going to select your brush adjustment, change the size to 1, and here you can just add in lines to add texture to your face. So if you have birthmarks, if you have baby hair, your nose structure if you want, your tattoos, your creases in your blouse, and yeah. Since I have in a curly wig, I'm going to add curls to the wig and add some curls in my face and the baby hair. Next, you're going to select draw again and you're going to choose the paint tool to get close to the complexion. Get as close as possible to the complexion and then cover it. Save as you go. So next you're going to add some stickers. I wanted lashes, so I'm adding in my lashes, some cartoony lashes. It's a cartoon. And you can select the button at the top to duplicate your lashes. So you have 2 lashes. So zoom in and ensure that it's aligned properly. You can rotate it, but I didn't rotate my lashes. I'm also adding some anime eyes. You can have dark brown eyes if you want, any color eyes. But I wanted anime eyes, so I'm going with that. Same step with the duplicating it and adjust it. Next, I'm going to add another sticker. I'm going to add a necklace. So type in necklace and you have a lot of options. I saw the Playboy. I like the Playboy necklace the most, so I'm using that. So adjust it over your neck and use the eraser tool to have clean edges. When you're done, click apply. So next we're going back to effect and you're going to scroll and choose magic, then scroll until you see soul, choose soul. So with soul, choose the 3 circle and adjust the fade to what you want. Afterwards, you click apply and save your work. So save as you go. So your photo, we're turning it into a cutout, so you need the gray and white background. Choose the photo that you just edited and select cutout. Some phones have the option to select person, and right now the restore and erase buttons are your best friends, so use those to clean up all edges. If you don't want hard edges like mine, I recommend using a photo like this where the body is in the center of the photo. When you're done, save your draft. Save your cartoon. So next, choose the background again and add the cutout that you just made, because now we're giving it borders. So here, just select border and adjust the amount. I use 12 as my amount. And that's it. It's real simple. It's a 10-step guide. I hope you guys learned something today. Thanks for watching.